Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most mesmerizing tricks in pen spinning, shadow spin. It's a subtle yet impressive move that's all about precision and control, so if you're ready to add some smooth flair to your spinning arsenal, let's dive right in it. The shadow pen spin is all about momentum and smooth control. The trick relies on the pen's weight and the subtle movement of your fingers to keep it spinning in place. As you begin, focus on maintaining a fluid motion with your wrist and fingers. The pen will naturally follow this circular path, spinning around your fingers. Keep your hand relaxed but steady, allowing the pen to glide effortlessly. Remember, the key to mastering the shadow is to keep practicing until the spin becomes second nature. Every time the pen completes a rotation, you'll feel more confident in your ability to maintain the spin. With enough practice, you'll notice the pen spinning with a seamless, almost hypnotic rhythm. Stay positive, keep spinning, and